This is a recipe for a basic pizza dough. I get about 4 to 6 pizzas out of it, depending on how big I make them. So I usually freeze half of it. The ingredients are as follows: 7 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, 3 cups cool tap water, 6 tablespoons olive oil, and 2 tablespoons fine sea salt. Whisk together the water, sugar, and yeast, followed by the olive oil. Add in all the flour at once and mix either with your hands or a wooden spoon. Once there are no longer any dry parts in the dough, cover the bowl with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. While you wait, make sure you have a clear workspace for kneading. After 30 minutes, sprinkle your workspace with a little flour so the dough doesn't stick, and salt. With damp hands, remove the dough from the bowl and drop it directly onto the salt. I like to knead by pressing down on the dough and pulling away from me, placing that lump of dough on top closer to me and repeating, so pressing and pulling. Knead for about 10 minutes or until you no longer feel salt granules in the dough. Cover the dough and put in the fridge for at least 24 hours. This low and cold rest is the reason the kneading only happens briefly. The gluten builds up, making a stretchy dough in 24 hours.